What's up, YouTube? I wanted to show you the new pickup we got last night. It is a 2007 Chevy Colorado Xtreme, single cab short bed. I want to give you guys a little walk around and show you guys what has been done to this truck. This thing is pretty clean. Like, the body's pretty straight, no dents or anything. Paint is not the best, but starting off here in the front, it has some aftermarket headlights. We're gonna replace these with some probably black housing headlights without those lines. I don't know what they're called, those LED lines. And then we're gonna put the fog lights back in. This bumper's missing them, but we do have them. It's what has the Xtreme grill, of course, with the chrome trims and the little SS badge right there. We're gonna remove the front plate. It has a little what's it called, the lip valence or whatever. I don't know from what car. I don't know if it's an original one to these trucks or like an aftermarket option, or I don't know, but they added a plastic lip sitting on some 20-inch Chevy wheels, wrapped in 245/35 tires, Goodyear tires, and it has some drilled and slotted rotors back there. I don't know if you guys could see them. It has the Xtreme body kit. I've seen online, and some of these trucks, or most of them, or I don't know if all of them, come with the black side mirrors, but this one has them color matched, white, chrome door handle. I've also seen them all white, I mean all black, sorry. This one has them white with the chrome handle. The bed is a little banged up. It has the 3-piece back window. Oh, and it also has the LED third brake light up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a smoke third brake light. It has the matching tail lights to the headlights with that line in there. LEDs. We need to do the LED license plate lights because they're yellow. It still has the tow hitch receiver. And well, this side is the same as the driver's side. So I'm gonna show you guys the interior. Oh, and we're gonna end up removing these decals, the Colorado decals. There was an accident with this door, so the previous owner replaced it with another white door. Just gotta buff it, make it match. It's not that obvious. I mean, you can barely even tell. And it also had a bunch of decals back here. We removed them last night. We went to the Tierra Mia meet in Pico Rivera. So this thing has power windows and locks, power mirrors. Has a little tweeter right here. Original speaker. I believe those are like 6.5. Might end up replacing them with some aftermarket stuff. Oh, it actually has some aftermarket speakers. So I think the guy told us that he threw in some HHR seats and center console, if I'm not mistaken. Has the power sunroof. They did the sun visors, they wrapped them in black, but the rest of the sun headliner was all left alone. We might do the black cloth. Then it has the H3 Hummer steering wheel, because these trucks come with like the plastic steering wheel. So this is kind of like, I guess, like an upgrade. The leather style steering wheel, original head unit and all. Got the traction control button. I don't know if all of these come with that, but This thing has pretty much everything on there. Has the Xtreme cluster, the gauges work, gas and the temperature, RPMs and all, speedometer. But it does have the ABS light on and the airbag light on. The guy told us that the airbag light is on because of the seats, and that the ABS is done, it's on because of the swap. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So this thing has a factory 5.3 engine. You can see it right there, from a Colorado. It was a 4-door Colorado donor that was used to convert this to a 8-cylinder truck, because these single cab trucks never came with a 5.3 or any V8 actually. So the guy, this guy, he does these swaps. Like he's done a couple of them, so he knew what he was doing. He threw everything in there, made it fit, everything works. The AC works on this truck, everything works as it should. It has the aluminum block, and what he did was, one of the only mods he did to this engine was the Trailblazer SS intake manifold, and he also threw the cover on here. And this truck is completely stock other than the intake manifold. It has the cats, it has everything, stock headers from the donor vehicle, stock cats, everything was done pretty much legit. It has this aluminum radiator, I guess that counts as an upgrade as well, and it still has a clutch fan. So that's one of the things that we might get to first, doing an electric fan conversion, because it does run, well, it doesn't run hot, but you can kind of smell the coolant sometimes when you get on the gas. Well, last night we were smelling that. And hopefully fix some of these little brackets right there. So the guy was telling us they had to cut the core support to be able to get this engine in here, because as you could tell, it's super tight in there. It has the stock airbox, has a pretty much a factory battery. It just needs the little tie down thing right here. All the grounds were run with the factory harness. I don't know, I get, like, everything is done pretty clean on this truck. This is a intake tube, I believe, for the stock truck, and there's a clip holding it right there, so we're gonna remove this just so it won't show. And then we're gonna pretty much try to tuck away these little cables. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is going to, but we're gonna try to clean up the engine bay a little bit, tuck away the cables that we can, and then back here for the intake manifold, you can see that it was kind of hitting the firewall, so he told us he had to bang the firewall in a little bit. That's why it looks a little messed up back there. But I mean, other than that, I think this engine bay looks pretty clean. These headlights gotta go though. These things, I don't know, they don't work, and I think they don't look too good. We want to switch them up for something a little more OEM style, and I think without that license plate right there, it's gonna look way better. It is on the Beltec drop, so the front, I don't know, yeah, it's tugging the tire a little bit. We were thinking of raising the front a little bit and then lowering the back, but at this point I think we're just gonna drop the back, get it as level as possible. And this thing is super good on gas. Well, I mean, so far, if the gauge is right, it's good on gas. It has a C-notch, and it has the Beltec shocks back here, and it has some lowering blocks, pretty tall lowering blocks. The exhaust dumper's right there. One thing about this truck is that it's super quiet, so I don't know if we're gonna do anything about that or not. But ideally, I think we want to drop this truck like 2 more inches, just so it could be like right there, right above the tire, maybe like right here. It doesn't bottom out or anything. It feels like it's about to bottom out, but it doesn't. It's pretty stiff. Still got the stock leaf springs, so I think that helps a lot. So I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can hear what this sounds like and rev it a little bit. Still got the key fob, and it kind of works. The unlock button doesn't work. The lock does work, kinda, but this thing works. I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna flip the microphone to the front so you guys could hear what it sounds like. Those are a couple of revs, but like I said, this thing is stock muffler, stock. The cats are still on there, everything is there, so it's not loud at all. That kind of sucks, because when you get on it, it goes, kind of goes, because it's not even tuned, so it kind of goes. You can feel that the power's still there, but you know, it's not letting it all out. We do kind of hear the clutch fan a lot. I think it is the clutch fan, and it doesn't have a proper fan shroud, so you can see maybe that's what's causing it not to, well, to smell a lot. So we're gonna do something about that hopefully soon. We still got the other trucks that we got to worry about as well. This thing is running pretty good as is. So yeah, if you guys got any questions about this truck, hit us up. You guys could contact us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films, and or leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.